welcome to my channel.
So this came in the mail a few days ago. It's something we ordered especially for Zizah. It's coming up to his birthday, and also, you know, the Christmas holidays are around the corner. So what do you think is inside? What do you think we got him for the holidays? All right, let's open it up and see. Okay, so we are unboxing the box that we are about to unbox. Okay, that may sound a little strange, so here we go. Any clues just yet? All right, it's pretty obvious. Ta-da! All right, so he's been talking about Lightening MacQueen and Mater and the Sheriff for a long time. He's been watching these on YouTube, these shows on YouTube, and so we decided to get him, you know, the three favorites. Now, let's see what this box includes. It has 3 metal vehicles, and of course, you know, it's the main guy here, Lightening MacQueen, Mato, the good friend, and also the Sheriff. I think you'll be pretty excited about this. And you know what? I think we should do a backyard hunt for these guys. But for the moment, let's just unbox and see what they really look like. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one up. So we've unboxed the box, so let's now unbox
Radiator Springs is a made-up town in Arizona and is the setting for this Disney Pixar franchise. If you're following the franchise, then you'll know that Lightning MacQueen and Mater are best of friends. And listen, I don't want to get too deep into this because seriously, I think I already know way too much.
Let's see. That might need some help. Okay, I might not want to scratch that. It's pretty new. Okay, let's try Mater.
Mater lives in Radiator Springs and he loves playing pranks. His favorite prank? Tractor tipping. Mater is a good old boy with a big heart, and he's the only truck in Radiator Springs. He runs the Tow Mater Towing and Salvage and manages the local income. As you might guess, Sheriff is, well, the Sheriff of Radiator Springs.
Much later.
Almost. There we go. Oh, okay, the Sheriff was a hard one to
By
get
a
up.
strong sense of duty, he wants to make sure the citizens of his small town are safe. And if you break the law, you go straight to traffic court.
Really nice. There you go. And of course, the main guy here. Telling you. The main guy here is Lightning MacQueen, number 95.
Hotshot rookie fast car, Lightning MacQueen. He lives his life in the fast lane because, well, he's a fast car. He's not from Radiator Springs, but had a detour on his way to a big race which left him stranded in that area. So that's how we met all the characters of Radiator Springs. And they help him to realize that, you know, there is more to life than fame and money.
Thanks for watching. Bye.